I'm Anna from Run a Row Home, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Trugard Vapor Shield membrane. So we'll start with waterproofing the floor first because that's the same way roofers do it, so we want to think about where water goes. So we'll start by waterproofing the floor and then we'll work our way up the wall. So we're ready to install the membrane on the floor. At this point you should already have installed the shower tray, the curb, and your drain. So if you haven't done that, go back and watch those videos on how to get that started. So when we are installing the membrane, we want to make sure that we have at least 3 inches up on the walls on all sides so that you have an overlap when you put the membrane on the wall. So we'll show you how to do that, and let's go cut out our membrane.
Make sure your area is clean before you start installing. Use modified thin set and a 1/4 by 3/16 V-notch trowel or a 1/8 by 1/8 square notch trowel.
We're right about ready to hang our waterproof membrane on the wall, but before we do that, make sure your floor already has the membrane down and that you have any inside and outside corners already installed. If you happen to mud any spots on the wall, make sure they're primed over. And with our panels that we're going to be hanging on the wall, they're going to be overlapped by 2 inches. It's optional, but if you want, you can also put a band over top of that just for extra protection.
You can cut the entire square out at the edge niche opening, or you can leave approximately a 1-inch flap of membrane and use the True Seal sealant to adhere it.